So you've tried affiliate marketing, maybe sold a few digital products, maybe not. But deep down, you're wondering, is this really sustainable? If you've ever felt that digital products just don't offer that real business feel, you're not wrong. Today, I'm reviewing a brand new guide that might just change the way you look at online income. Your step-by-step guide to starting a successful Amazon FBA business. Let's break down exactly what this is, what it offers, and whether it's worth your time and money, especially at this super low launch price. Digital info products are great, but they're limited. You're either selling someone else's content, or a PDF no one really uses. But physical products? That's what people still crave. And Amazon FBA? It's your chance to tap into the world's biggest marketplace, with physical goods that ship and sell while you sleep. Let's walk through what you actually get with this guide. This isn't some fluffy ebook. It's a real blueprint that teaches you how to find the right physical products, list them on Amazon like a pro, build a passive business that scales, and skip the overwhelm that stops most people from ever trying. Plus, it's super beginner-friendly, no jargon, no fluff, and definitely number 50-step guru funnels. Here's what the guide walks you through. How to choose high-demand, low-competition products. How to calculate profit margins like a boss. How to create listings that actually get found. Branding tips to make your product stand out. Marketing strategies that drive organic traffic. And even how to collect reviews for better visibility. But it goes beyond just the basics. You'll also learn how to scale your business long-term, how to avoid common beginner pitfalls, and how to grow beyond Amazon, into retail, if you want. It's all laid out step by step, and designed for complete beginners. What really sweetens the deal? The bonuses. FBA Success Checklist. Supplier and Tool Cheat Sheet. Business Mind Map to stay organized. These aren't filler add-ons, they're practical tools to shortcut your learning curve and avoid mistakes. Honest pros and cons. Pros. Easy to understand for first-timers. Focuses on real business skills, not just passive side hustles. Comes with bonuses that are actually useful. Low one-time price, no upsells required. Great for creators tired of digital-only selling. Cons. No video walkthroughs, it's a PDF-based product. Doesn't cover advanced topics like PPC or warehouse strategy in depth. You'll still need to do the work, it's not plug-and-play. But if you want a practical, step-by-step start, this guide nails the basics in a solid and clear way. Pricing and final verdict. Right now, it's on launch offer for just $17. That's a fraction of what you'd pay for most Amazon FBA courses that barely scratch the surface. And honestly, if you're even thinking about selling on Amazon, this is a no-brainer intro guide. It won't do the work for you, but it will show you exactly where to start, what to avoid, and how to build something that actually sells while you sleep. Final thoughts. So is it worth it? If you want to start a real business with real products, and you're done chasing digital sales that fizzle out, then yes, this Amazon FBA guide is definitely worth it. It's honest, tactical, and perfect for beginners looking to break into the e-com world, the right way. Alright, that wraps up my review of the Amazon FBA Business Guide. If you're ready to take action and build a real, sustainable business that actually makes you money, this guide is a great starting point. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and business tips. Got any questions or thoughts about starting your own Amazon FBA business? Drop them in the comments below, I'd love to hear what you think.